Hi, my name's Scott. I'm with the Factory 5 Build School in Flint, Michigan. We show you how to build these cars in a 3-day weekend, a Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We go from a as-received kit to a complete running car. And you got about 15 students that put the kit together while we're instructing them, showing them how to put it together.
I'm Jim. I'm one of the other Build School instructors, so we're here enjoying the SEMA show. So we've been working in the Factory 5 booth and just answering questions that the public has. So we get students come in from all over the world. A lot of them, come in from the U.S. of course, but we get them from all over, and they come in for the 3-day course. And we get them from all different backgrounds. So we'll have professional mechanics come in, and for them it's more they want to see the product, they want to get their hands on it, just see how the kit goes together. And we get other people that are brand new to the automotive industry. They want to do it as a hobby.
Never turned a wrench. We've had people that haven't turned that wrench, and they went on to successfully build one of these cars. It's just a matter of getting your hands on them. Husbands and wives, grandfathers, sons, grandsons. We've had them come from Australia, all over the world. Iceland, we've had one come from. It's pretty amazing the depth of students we've had from everywhere.
A lot of them contact us, and they'll send us photos of their build, and so you get to see how it progressed. Things they talk about just the different experiences they had. So it's really been a lot of fun over the years.